Hello, welcome to this tutorial about just doing a basic circuit in Mosaic. I have it set up now with a local workspace with no synchronization. So first I'll add an interface, which is just going to be a filter. And then under that, I'm going to add a new schematic, like a low pass filter, for example. And then double click it to open it in the editor. Press V to add a voltage source, R for resistor, capacitor, capacitor, flip it with a spin S, and then W to get some wires. You can just draw through the devices to connect them quickly. And now let's give it a voltage and an AC voltage. I'm just going to set up AC quickly. So 1 microfarad, 1 kilo ohm, and then put this to the side and open the simulator. And then go to AC simulation. This should all be good. This will make it so that it reruns when you change something. Oh, let's put some labels on it. Simulate. Now, I didn't name them, but you could. And now you can see it has this nice boat plot here. You can see the simulator output if you wanted to, which could be useful if there's, for example, an error. And now if we go back and change this to like 10K, you'll see it reruns the simulation and updates the graph. So that's all for this simple tutorial.